G'day all, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little bit different. We all use AA, AAA batteries somewhere in the household, and this particular battery here, quite an interesting product. They were sent to me by XTAR to review, so I'll leave some links in the description for you to have a bit of a look at. We're reviewing the XTAR L8 box charger. It's an 8-slot charger which charges AA and AAA batteries, and we're also going to review the 3960 AA lithium rechargeable batteries, which have a charger indicator light on the top, so you can see what charge you've got in your battery. Lets you know whether it's full or nearly flat. We're going to be talking about the features, real specs, and what they can and can't do, so stick around. I hope you enjoy this video. You know the feeling when you grab a toy, remote, or a camera, gadget, and the batteries are dead? Well, XTAR's tackling that head on with a powerful charging solution and a smart 1.5 volt cell that delivers stable energy every time. So let's break it down. Meet the L8 box, XTAR's slick 8-slot battery charging and storage case. 8 independent charging slots. You can charge up to 8 AA or AAA batteries at once, and mix battery types such as lithium ion and nickel metal hydride together. Supports USB-C, PD 5V input. You can power it from USB chargers, power banks, laptops, etc. Smart LED indicators per slot. You can see each battery's charge level in real time. Has a built-in smart chip protection which handles overheat, overcurrent, short circuits, auto cutoff and more. A full charge for a set of batteries takes around 3 hours with compatible cells and the correct charging output. The L8 box isn't just a charger, it's also a storage case, so no more loose batteries rolling around in your desk. The magnetic lid closes tight, keeps everything safe and keeps you well organised. This isn't just a charger, it's also a storage case, so no more loose batteries rolling around in your desk drawer. So what this does well, it charges different batteries in the same session, such as lithium ion and nickel metal hydride, and you can mix both AA and AAAs together and it recognises which is which. Has handy LED bars, which makes it easy to see who's full and who's still charging. The L8 box only supports AA and AAA sizes, so yeah, you can't charge 18650s or 21700 cells in here. So in the box you get the L8 box instruction manual plus a USB-C cable for charging. You get a little bag to house the L8 box in, and of course you get the L8 box itself, the 8-slot battery charger. So overall, it's a premium desktop-friendly battery hub that works great with everyday gear. So now let's talk about batteries. This is the 3960, which is a powerful, smart and rechargeable AA lithium-ion battery. 2500 milliamp capacity, which gives a solid runtime in most devices. Has a stable 1.5 volt output, keeps voltage consistent until nearly drained. And you get up to 3 amp max discharge, handles medium drain devices very well. Has a touch activated LED power indicator. Just tap the battery and you can check the charge. Has a built-in smart protection, guards against overcharging or over discharge and short circuits. And it's also capable of 1500 plus recharge cycles, long life, and it's eco-friendly reuse. So you just tap the positive and a little LED light lights up to tell you how much juice is left. There's no guesswork. Fantastic little feature on this battery in my opinion. So some of the best uses for this battery could be in game controllers, remotes, wireless mice, cameras, most toys, trail cameras. Where these might fall a bit short though, they're not quite ideal for high current draw gear like flashlights or powerful RC motors. The built-in protection limits output if too much current is demanded. They also must be charged in a battery charger. Like the L8 box, you can't just use a typical 18650 charger. But these are premium rechargeable AAs, perfect for the gadgets that you daily use. So in comparison, how do these work together? The L8 box gives you organised charging for a whole bunch of batteries at once, perfect if you run a lot of devices. The 3960 AA cells give stable constant power with a smart indicator, so you always know what's left. Whether you're powering remotes, gaming gear, trail cameras or accessories, this combo makes battery maintenance simple and stress-free. So there you go, the XTAR L8 box charger makes charging and storing your batteries tidy and stress-free, and the 3960 AA lithium ion batteries here give you rechargeable power, tons and tons of runtime and convenience. If you're tired of constantly buying disposables and juggling multiple chargers, this combo could be a game changer for you. I've dropped links in the description below, so you can check out both products on the XTAR website. Go and check them out. They've got other stuff on there other than just chargers and batteries, and they're a very reputable company as well. I've bought many products from them as well as what they've offered to me as well. If you like this review, just hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment to let me know what device you would use these in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.